How to cancel an order as a buyer on eBay. Hi everybody. If you want to cancel an order as a buyer on eBay, here's how you can do it. So just follow all these steps for that. So we can sign in into our eBay account first and basically look out for the My eBay option in the top right corner. Head over there and look out for the option called Purchase History or Orders. Once we go over to the section, we can search for our order that we want to cancel. We have all purchases, processing, unpaid, and many more. And we can just go over and select the more actions next to them. After that, we just need to select the option for cancel this order, and we should be finding something like this. And we need to select a reason why we would like to cancel our order and select one of your reasons. Once you've done that, you can submit the request, and that way your order should be cancelled. The seller receives your cancellation request. If the seller has not shipped the item yet, they can approve the cancellation and issue a refund. If the item is already shipped, the seller may decline and you may need to request a return instead. And that's it. So that's it, everybody. That is how you basically cancel an order as a buyer on eBay. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe.